Nigeria is standing at a crossroad, and this time the warning is coming from inside the system. In a bold move, Honorable Obiagwocha has stepped out of the corridors of National Assembly and marched straight to Aso Rock with a message that Nigeria's political class has whispered for years but feared to say it loud. Mr. President, Nnamdi Kanu's continued trial is tearing Nigerians apart. Agwocha's letter to President Bola Tinubu is not everyday political memo. It is a political siren, loud, sharp, and impossible to ignore. He argues that Southeast is in big problem, insecurity rising, the economy collapsing, and the suffocating cloud of mistrust darkening the relationship between citizens and the state. And at the center of it all, he says that one of the unresolved issues is the prolonged detention and trial of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Nigeria. According to him, this is no longer about court, charges, or procedures. It is about a country's emotional temperature. It is about the widening gap between Nigeria and her Igbo citizens. It is about peace, unity, and the survival of a fragile nation. He calls out the constitutional cracks in the case, the extraordinary rendition from Kenya, the questionable laws being used, and the uncomfortable possibility that the process itself violated the Constitution. Continuing the trial he wants may not only be unjust, it may be unconstitutional. That is why he is urging Tinubu to activate Section 174, the presidential legal reset button, allowing the Attorney General to end the prosecution in the interest of the national unity. To him, releasing Nnamdi Kanu is not a weakness. It is statesmanship. It is the act of a leader ready to rise above politics and choose peace over pride. This message is simple but explosive. Free Nnamdi Kanu now could cool tensions, heal wounds, and rewrite Nigeria's democratic story.